Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lint filter in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lint filter. The lint filter filters air that circulates through the dryer from lint and foreign objects, helping to keep the exhaust system clean and saving the blower wheel from being damaged. If you notice that your dryer takes too long to dry a load of clothing, the lint filter should be checked, cleaned, or replaced if needed. Let's open the door. Just in case if you didn't know, this handle is the top of the lint filter. What we need to do is just pull the handle up and remove the old filter. Look how bad is that. Look, it's completely dead. It's caused a strong resistance in the airflow. Let's place the lint filter on the workable surface, and then using the flat blade screwdriver, we're gonna pry open that little hinge here on the side, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. And remove the filter cover. We're gonna use it with a new filter. This is the old lint filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now we're going to install the filter cover onto the new filter. I'm going to place this hinge here and press it in. Same thing here. Push it in and it locks. And now we're going to insert the new filter. And now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.